Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the last week of 2023. Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year in advance. So we are going to tie an unconventional gele today, and the measurement for this gele is 50-50. You're going to make 8 pleats, place at the back and bring forward. Please note, if you're going to bring out your hair, make more than 8 pleats. You understand? Now we ensure that our V is properly situated, then we go ahead to cross. The one that is forming the V, like the one that is on top, that's what is going to come front when you have twisted. So watch carefully and see how I do it. This gele is similar to the previous one that I uploaded, and it's easy to do also. You just roll and pin, you get. So now that we've crossed, we are going to pin this one down since there's nobody to hold. But if you have somebody to hold it for you, no need to pin down, you understand. But if you're making use of a mannequin head, you pin down, then you proceed to the other flap. This flap is the one that is going to make our first roll, so just watch carefully. You open it, take from the middle and roll. It doesn't have to be smooth, you just take from the middle and roll it in, just like the previous video how we did that style. You understand? When you're done rolling it in, you pin. So now please, I just want to talk to some of you guys that I think are gele stylists, and also the ones that get styles to tie for themselves. If you're tying for yourself, that's a good thing. At least you're learning to look nice, not just your facial beauty or your clothing that you're going to wear. Your hair or your head wrap also needs to look beautiful for your fashion or your dressing to be complete, you understand. So but for those that are taking it as a skill to make money, please don't underprice yourself. That's just one thing I want to say. Don't underprice yourself. Ensure that you do the work properly and you know your worth. Always value yourself. Don't go about doing 500 naira gele, please. Any which ways, I'm going to come back to it. Now, after we are done rolling the first flap, you see this one, we are going to take it to the back and continue the process. So just watch carefully. The way we folded the first one, that's how we are going to do the second one. You take from the middle, you fold and roll. And please note, when you're pinning, like for the first one that we did, we pinned both the front and the back. When you're pinning, pin the front to the base, pin the back of the roll to the base also, you get. Now this part that we are doing also, when you roll, you pin to the base, that's the front part, and you pin the back part too, so that it's going to be stable, you get. Now when doing this thing, ensure, just look at how I'm doing it. Ensure that it's not just at the back, like at the like immediately at the back. No, it should come down a little, as you can see, you get. Now ensure that you do everything to your taste, then you go ahead to cover the back. So now I'll come again to my gele stylists, or those that wants to go into making money from gele tying. Please, like I said before, don't tie 500 naira gele. Now let me just give you an example. You want to tie 500 naira gele for somebody, but you went to learn. Shebi, you know how much they pay to learn physical class. You know how much they paid to learn for online class. You understand? Or you that is watching my free videos now, you know how much you paid for data to watch those videos. You get? So why go ahead to collect 500? This is not to shame those that want to pay for 500 or something. See, don't underlook any craft. Some people will tell you that it's not just gele tying, it's easy to tie now, just come and do it for me, I'll give you 500, I'll give you 1,000. Why will you take that? Even if you're living with your parents or you're living alone, how will you fend for yourself with 500 or 1,000? Even market people these days are tying gele. They are not tying gele 500. They are not even tying gele 1,000 in the market. There's somebody who not tell you that, oh, if you're not taking 500, let me pay you 700. Please don't do that. Unless if you know, the economy, the way things are hard, it will not reach your side. This is just a simple advice. I just feel like, let me talk to people, like, to relate with you all. You get? Because for this, well, in some places gele tying is okay, you get, but in still some states or some places also, the price which people pay for gele tying is appalling. Like, it's not good. You get? So if you do not have any work, or you know someone that do not have any work, but the person likes to do gele tying, you can share this video to them. There are so many videos on my channel that they are going to watch and learn how to tie gele. You get? So share it to them, let them watch, get different styles. My job, or what I feel like doing here, is to share gele styles, gele tutorials for people to use and make money, and also show a bit of my lifestyle vlog. You understand? But my own is that, please, whatever people are doing, don't underprice yourself. Know your worth. Place your price well. You're not doing this thing for free, because those people that are telling is 500, if they are selling market or if they are working, they are earning more than that. So you doing it that way, it's not nice. Any which ways, let's get back to the video. After we are done with that, we go ahead to cover the back. You see the way that back is, that's from the rolls. That's what inspired me to do it. There's a interior decor. If I see the picture, I'm going to place it alongside this. There's a all this decoration stuff for home. There's one thing I saw like that I just said, okay, let me see if I can achieve it. So from the front, you're not going to see it, but from the back like this, now you're going to see it. The design, the way it's rolling, you understand? If I get a picture, I'm going to place it by the side so that you guys will see it. Now, after we are done covering the back, we are going to pin properly. That's for all those rolls, so that it doesn't fall out. We are already 80 to 90% done with our gele. Ensure that it's neat, it's properly done, then you can join it. But for the purpose of this video, I left it like this because I like the way it looks. And another thing with gele tying, when you're tying it on your clients, do it the way that it seems right. Make sure that it's beautiful in your eyes before you leave your client. You understand? Don't just tie any and anything for the person and go. You get? So that's just what I have to say, or that's what I wanted to say, so that as we are entering the new year, you're going to rebrand yourself. You're going to know your self-worth, place yourself well. There are people that I know that tie gele, and like, they are big boys, they are big girls, they drive car, they have stuffs that they do for themselves from gele. This one is not capping, you understand? So please know your worth, place yourself well. That doesn't mean you go and overprice yourself, you understand? But once you know your worth, you're going to know the price that you're going to place for your services. So don't undervalue yourself any day, anytime. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I wish you all good luck and success. Go out there and succeed. Can you see our gele? Oh, shit. Very fine. You're going to stand out wherever you go with this style. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next year. Bye bye.